Signaling an alarming rise in number of diabetes patients in the state, Directorate of Health Services, Dr. N. Hemantakumar, has revealed that 84,000 individuals, that is 12% out of every 7 lakh persons who undertake screening, turn out to be diabetic. Dr. N. Hemantakumar said this during the observance of World Diabetes Day, which was jointly organized by State NSD Division, National Health Mission, and Directorate of Health Services Manipur at Classic Grande in Jingmerong today. Director of Family Welfare and Bino and former Directorate of Health Services, Dr. O. Sanahanbi, renowned psychiatrist and professor of Psychiatry Department, RIMS, Dr. R.K. Lennon, along with other eminent persons, attended the program, which was organized on a theme Diabetes and Well-Being, with appropriate access to diabetes care and support for their well-being and diabetes and the workplace. Speaking in the program, Dr. N. Hemantakumar stressed on the risk posed by diabetes and highlighted the needs to reduce overconsumption of carbohydrate-rich diets and to control sugar. While underscoring the need of living a healthy lifestyle, Dr. Hemantakumar informed about various healthcare enhancement projects that are being undertaken in the state. He added that state government is taking up steps to upgrade more capacity building infrastructures in the state to tackle health issues such as diabetes, hypertension, kidney diseases, mental health, and other diseases.
Manipuri amro screening sigi makhal de koi na pre-diabetes su matam sana detect to bung ambagi opportunity to soidna laigani adugo loina na high level detector ko poto chega na early intervention treatment of the diabetes to non-pharmacological intervention and lifestyle intervention diet, sedentary lifestyle, active walking, 45 minutes brisk walking, and obesity and extra carbohydrates. Restrict to rice consumption high any form of carbohydrates. So restrict to ayutta carbohydrate high bakery item tan biscuit sobin habits drastically restrict to non carbohydrate source insulin resistance